So what's going on?
I lost my two front teeth.
Your two front teeth. Where'd you lose them? We better go find them. Where'd you lose them? Oh my gosh. Did one come out last night? This morning?
Yeah.
Today is, you know what month is it?
October.
Do you know what the day is?
The 26th.
That's exactly right. Let's see that little tooth. Should we notify the tooth fairy? Or do you think she'll find out, the tooth fairy will find out by herself?
By herself.
Yeah? Cool. So, you're going to be, what, 6 years old soon?
No.
No? How old?
8.
Oh my gosh, you're almost 8. Pretty soon you're going to be asking me for the car keys. Oh my God, you're almost 8 years old. Oh God, that's so exciting. Oh my gosh, you're almost 8 years old. What are we going to do for your birthday?
Go to Chevy's.
Chevy's. And do what at Chevy's?
Eat cake.
Eat cake? And they're going to sing happy birthday to you in Spanish or something?
In a sombrero.
With wearing sombreros? Very exciting. So anything else to say on this momentous occasion?
I love me.
So do I. I love you too.